My name's Noel Fox. I work for Graham and Brown. I'm a shift manager in the warehouse where we dispatch goods and items to the UK and abroad. Every 3 years we renew our equipment. The old equipment had become problematic and worn out, so we decided to have a look and see how the Android system would help us. The migration from Windows to Android was quite seamless, and we found Dash to be extremely helpful to us in the changeover, and quite competitive in prices in relation to other suppliers. We've found that the technology has improved our pick rates, our stock accuracy. We've generally found an all-round improvement in productivity due to the speed of the equipment.